Hey there and welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. Today we got a review of Adams Polishes Buttery Wax on the 2017 Dodge Journey. Let's hope this goes a little bit better than the Brilliant Glaze video did. Let's do it. So from what I understand, the reviews that I have read on this product are mixed. Some people say it's great. Some people say it's not worth the money. It's $20 if you buy it by itself. I got it in my 8-bottle bag kit. You can go buy me from YouTube. Okay, sorry, that's my son. I got it in my 8-bottle bag kit, and it came with the yellow hex grip applicator. From what I understand is most people say you get 3, maybe 4 weeks worth of protection out of this wax. But why people love it is it's easy on, easy off. I've got some other products that are easy on, easy off that'll definitely last longer than 3 to 4 weeks. My Grillo's Garage Best of Show wax, which is a carnauba, kind of like this. It's a carnauba wax. It'll last you 3 to 6 months. So, but it is the Best of Show wax. They made it better. It's easier to get off. It's not as easy as the poly wax. So I'm just really curious of how easy this is to get off, because if you're like me, you like your cars clean. Obviously, if you're watching my channel, it's because you like to detail your own cars, most likely, or you want to watch a review on a product before you decide if you're going to buy. When you wax your car, once again, I'm trying to think of what I'm trying to say. It can take a little while to do. And me, I sweat every time I do anything. But you wax the car and you're sweating, and when you get done, you want it to look really good, but you want it to last for a while. You don't want to wax your car every 3 to 4 weeks. I don't. Maybe you do. I don't. I want to be able to wax my cars every 6 months to a year. Even though I love cleaning my cars and keeping them clean, I want a wax that's going to last for a long time, so I only have to do it once or twice a year. Hopefully just sometimes once. That's why I use the poly wax. But let's find out what this does. I'm sitting here rambling on and on and on, and let's find out what this buttery wax does all together. Let me get the camera set up. We'll start on the hood as usual, and we'll see what this stuff does. Okay, the instructions are: apply to a clean, decontaminated, and polished finish. Shake buttery wax vigorously before using. Wax is for a finish in great shape. Clay and polish first if you have bumps or swirls. I don't have any contamination on my paint. I've already checked. Hand application. Apply a small quarter-size blob. They use the word blob on here. Blob onto Adams yellow hex grip applicator. Spread onto surface in a thin, even layer. Try to avoid panel gaps, which panel gaps are right here. Allow to dry a few minutes. May need more time in high humidity, which here in Indiana we have a lot of humidity. Buff away residue with a clean premium microfiber towel, and then it says you can do it by machine, but we're going to be using it here. They have a common sense warning: always clean and protect your exterior rubber and plastics before using this. If needed, treat rubber and plastics with Adams all-purpose cleaner and VRT before using this, which I've already done, and it does work good. Like I said, I've actually used it once before. You have better things to do than scrub wax residue off dry or oxidized trim, and man, is that the truth. I hate doing that. Says it gives a high gloss, great reflection, good protection. Brazilian carnauba fortified with detergent-resistant polymers. Mask minor imperfections, subtle surface scratches, and swirl marks, which means that this has fillers in it. Ideal for clear coat, fiberglass, gel coat, and painted surfaces. So fillers, if I have it, which I don't have any scratches on this, I have like one over there from the kids' bikes, and trust me, they heard from me about that. But I don't have any scratches, so I'm not really worried about it filling anything. But if you're getting this and you notice that a scratch goes away after you get done using it, don't think that you polished out the scratch by hand. When the wax wears off, that scratch is going to re-emerge and you're going to see it. So always keep that in mind. So we're going to shake it up real good. First time using it, they say it smells like bananas. I don't know. That's more than a blob. Oh yeah, that does smell like bananas. Ooh, that smells really, really good. All right, let's put this on here. I wasn't going to do this on the journey, but I decided what the heck. It's not bedtime yet anyways. Always go in a crosshatch pattern when applying a wax. Circles, you can miss spots. I tried to put it on there as thin as possible. Here, once again, I'm trying to pour it on here and don't have the top open. Seems kind of thick. Oh, the smell of bananas is almost, I mean, overwhelming. It smells so good. Love a product that smells good. You can just enjoy doing stuff like this when it smells that good. Let's just go ahead and do the whole hood. I'm gonna have to move you around here. Bring you over here. Sorry, I don't know what you guys are seeing right now, but let's just go ahead and do the rest of this hood. And by then, this should be ready to be taken off. I was talking with Ozu Lou the other day. If you guys haven't checked his channel out, get on there and check it out. He's got a really cool Mustang Corvette. He does some detailing videos as well. But he's just an all-around, loves cars type of guy. And he said that the buttery wax he got on his Jeep only lasted about 3 weeks. And he said it was terrible to try to get off the black trim. That is one of the reasons why I made sure I put the VRT on first. It's just because of that conversation I had texting back and forth with him. We're gonna find out, because I know I just got some right there. I'm gonna show you guys. I know it works. At least it worked with the wax, the Griot's waxes that I put on the Honda Odyssey that I just did yesterday. Okay, the hood is covered. Let's see if it's dry. Let's see if it's ready to be taken off. I'm gonna bring you in close. Let's see here. That is a very fast, very fast curing wax. Very fast. Once again, Shiney's detail towels. We're just going to start up here at the top. You guys can't see what I'm doing. There, hopefully that's better. You're going to start up here at the top, as you can see. It's ready to come off. Ooh, oh, that comes off really easy. Wow, oh, that is easier than my poly wax by Griot's, and I didn't think there'd be another wax out there that was this easy to remove. And that came off so easy. Now you can see a little bit of residue in my towel. I don't know if the camera will pick that up. It's kind of yellow. Maybe I didn't let it cure long enough where I got that at. What? It is ready right here too. Always do a finger test. I mean, that stuff comes off so easy. Holy cow. I'm just kind of curious. Let's just do something here. Let me get this off the middle of the hood where I was. I want to see how much pressure it actually takes to get this wax off. Believe it or not, that is taking some of that wax off in the really thin spots. Let me add just a little bit more pressure, just a little bit of pressure by hand. There it is, it's off. And I'm well, some right there where it's a little thick. Oh, this stuff comes off so easy. Now the one thing that's nice about this wax, and I'm just going based off the website, Adams Polishes website, they say you can use it in direct sunlight. Most waxes you cannot use in direct sunlight. That would be the one thing about it, I guess I should say, that I like. But then again, when am I ever gonna wax in direct sunlight? I guess if you live in an apartment, you don't have anywhere to wax your car at, I guess you would, but other than that, if you have a garage, I mean, the cooler the surface, the better the wax is. Any type of wax, I would believe. I would think so. Any wax would work better in a cool surface than it would. Well, that wiped right off. I got the, dang it, I should have showed you guys. Here, let me just do this for you. I'm just gonna do something. Let me show you what this does. So you guys, if you saw 2 videos ago, if you haven't watched that video, I had 2 videos ago, I did the VRT. Let's see if I can zoom into the trim here. cannot believe that I'm going to do this. But I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I want to give you guys the best review possible. This better work. You see it? Right there? Look at that, my finger. Took the wax right off. That is amazing. That VRT works awesome. And I knew that from the Honda Odyssey I just did yesterday. So I'm gonna go around. I'm sorry, I'm jostling you guys all around. I'm gonna go around and I'm going to finish the rest of the vehicle with the buttery wax. And then we'll just do final results. It's getting dark out, so we'll just have to do final results in here. I'll probably shut the garage with these lights that I got off of Amazon. This should give us a good idea of what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna see how long it takes me to do it. In fact, let's just put this in a time lapse. So the buttery wax is on and I'm finished. This is what you're gonna have to deal with because it is dark outside now. But it looks really good. I'm really pleased with the buttery wax, I really am. Can't go all the way around the back of the vehicle because we're inside. And see, I got these lights up here. And if I open the garage, it covers them, so I have to have this garage shut to give you guys the best possible view. Go around the other side. Sorry, it's kind of tight in here. We're doing home improvement projects, painted our shutters, painting all the trim of the house. But it looks very good, and the smell is just amazing. The banana smell. And people kind of think I'm crazy. I know friends of mine, all I ever do is talk about the smell of your products. Yeah, that's a big deal to me. When I'm using them, I remember the days when I used to use Carbrite. And the chemical smell sometimes just got so old using it daily or not daily, but every weekend. It just got so old. And using stuff like this just makes the job so much more enjoyable in my opinion. So yeah, there you go. I did top off camera. Top looks good too. And now we're gonna go on to closing thoughts. Told you I sweat anything that I do. Oh, this buttery wax, it came off so easy. It's definitely the easiest wax I've ever removed off a car. And I used to think poly wax was the easiest, and not anymore. This is, holy cow, hardly any pressure at all. Just comes right off. And as long as you put it on thin, a couple thick spots, I know it's kind of hard to get off, but that's my fault. I put it on a little bit too thick in some spots. So the camera's kind of messing up here. As far as the product is concerned, I really like it. It goes on easy, comes on off easy. I know I just said that. It really, in my opinion, enhanced the paint. It really did. It made it look a lot better. Downside is it's only gonna give you about a month worth of protection. Now, if you're retired and you're bored and you have nothing to do, wax your car with this stuff. Works really good. You have to do it once a month, but wax your car, do it with that. Works really good. And if you go into buying the product knowing that it only lasts a month, but it's gonna give you a really good gloss effect on your paint, it's gonna give you good protection for a month, then you know what you're getting into, and you're gonna have to wax it once a month. I like to wax twice a year. Sometimes I'd rather do it once a year if I could, but sometimes, usually about twice a year. You're gonna have to do this 12 times a year. So this bottle is probably gonna last you about a year. It's $19. I can buy Best of Show wax from Guerrillo's Garage for the exact same price, $20, and it's gonna last 3 to 6 months. You're only gonna have to do 2, max of 3 waxes a year with that versus 11 or 12 waxes. But that's your preference. It's not mine. I try to make these review videos based off what I think, so you kind of get an idea. But make sure you go into it knowing that I kind of explain it so you know what you're getting into before you buy a product. But as far as user friendly, the gloss, 2 thumbs up. Absolutely, Adams Polishes, 2 thumbs up on this product. I think it's a good product. You really can't go wrong with it. It's a really good product, I think, and here's my thinking. If you don't have time to do a full wax, and what I mean by that is you wax the whole car, you're gonna wait 30 minutes, then you're gonna take the wax off. This I did in about 20 minutes total. Now, if it was the other type, you'd take your 20, 25 minutes, put the wax on, wait 30 minutes, take the wax off. You're looking at an hour, hour and a half worth of work. 20 minutes, bam, it was ready to go. I did the right front fender, and then I did the right front door. By the time I got doing the right front door, right front fender was ready to take off. When I took it off, the right front door was ready to take off. Then I went to the right rear door, put it on there, went to the right rear quarter panel, put it on there, and by the time I got the quarter panel done, the right rear door was done. So then I took it off, and then I took the, I mean, it's so simple. It's such a simple wax to use. So I recommend it, I really do. It's a good wax, and if it's something that where you're getting ready to go to a car show and you just don't have time to do a full wax, throw some of this on, take it off, it enhances the paint. It really does. It looks a lot better. So I like this product. I'm so glad because I was so disappointed in the brilliant glaze that I wasn't sure what to expect out of this product, and I really do like it. So down in the comment section, let me know what you think of this product. I'd like to hear some other people's, because I've read a lot of reviews that are good. I've read a lot of reviews that were bad. Let me know down in the comment section what you think of the wax if you use it. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button while you're down there, hit that little bell right over here so every time I upload a video you get notified, and we will see you next time.